Wi-Fi settings and give the password, and next. This is the next, and this is coming video. Hello guys, this is SD Wi-Fi camera, and this is a very small IP camera. This is a camera. This one is small spy camera. This is antenna, and this one charging connector. This one off on button, and this is the reset button. This is the reset button, and this side memory card. Memory card you can fix in there. And this is the battery. This is the charger. This is the catalog, and this is application email line. This one application. This is the application email line. Now I can open this camera and fix same like this. And open this button. Inside have indicator. Inside one blue, one red indicator here. This one first time coming blue, after coming the indicator. This one red. Inside have red indicator now working. Okay. Check this side. Inside very smaller indicator. I didn't see. This one is a spy indicator, very spy. And remove sticker. How can you can download? This is application. This one is application. Email line. This one before internet. Here delete, also delete. Finish. You can go Wi-Fi. This is Wi-Fi. And you can connect this Wi-Fi. This one for camera Wi-Fi. Camera Wi-Fi name this one. Email line, this camera, this application Wi-Fi name this one. This is the Wi-Fi name, and connect. Outside the application. This is the automatically coming, and give the this is the cancel, and this is already automatic coming, and then I can delete now. There Wi-Fi working, and add device, add friend device. This is charge network. This is the QR code. QR code no have anywhere. QR code no have. Go to charge network. QR code no have. You can go charge network. automatically coming there, and anytime you can take the password. No coming this one password 6666, and this one confirm. Automatic coming application. This one add device already. Then you open. And one option, this one for sound. This is the sound. Hello. And stop. This is the recording video, and this is the picture. Then I one record video. Stop. And one picture, one. Two picture I can take, and sure. And this one saving video, go to album, and this is the photo picture, and this is the video. You can select video, automatic there coming video. And more one setting have only this Wi-Fi connect. See,
Hello.
this
How?
more one setting. Go to setting. This is the setting icon, and Wi-Fi settings, and connect your home Wi-Fi. Connect and give the password. Home Wi-Fi connect and give the password, and next. This is the next, and this is they are writing already 2-3 minutes. Wait, about 2-3 minutes. 2-3 minutes after you can your home Wi-Fi select home Wi-Fi working.